Hey guys, welcome back to the Wicked Kitchen, and we are here to pimp the new instant noodle pots. One of the quickest hacks you can do: 2 baked potatoes, the coconut cracked corn, I forget the name of it already, some green onion, frozen peas, and some red chili pepper. Delicious meal, wicked fast. This is my super pimped out, spicy, smoky mac and cheese. So I'm not trying to win any awards with this recipe. I'm just trying to feed myself something super simple and healthy. And an easy way to do that is by pimping up these amazing instant pots that we've created for Wicked. For those of you guys in different countries other than the UK, if you don't happen to have the Wicked Kitchen pots, search around for some other instant pots, vegan preferably. And just adding a couple bits and pieces here and there makes dinner time a snap. We're gonna get right into the next one. So I'm gonna use the coconut cracked corn. This is a delicious, really indulgent, it's freaking awesome, you guys. So what I did ahead of time was I am baking off 2 jacket potatoes, or baked potatoes. I came home, threw them in the oven, 200 degrees. It's been about 40 minutes, so they're just about done. I just boiled the kettle water, and this is one of the easiest, really lazy food, to be honest with you, when I'm not feeling up for cooking or doing much and I just want to sit down and binge watch Breaking Bad again.
I am the one who knocks.
So I'm gonna show you how to do this quick, right? So we have the potatoes and they're gonna be coming out in a minute. And I'm gonna just open the pot here, look for the fill line. I'm just gonna add a little bit of the water here. That's it. Give this a quick stir. So you might be wondering why I have frozen peas sitting in front of me, and I will show you right now. So I'm a big fan of including veg in anything I possibly can. So we're gonna let this sit aside 5 minutes. So sometimes I don't do all the shopping. I don't have anything in the fridge, but I always try to keep on hand some frozen peas, frozen corn. So I'm just gonna add about a cup of those right to the Pyrex. And then this is a super cheat, you guys, so I just add the water to that, and that's how I'm cooking them. So we're gonna slice some green onion for garnish, and it's spicy already, but I'm a huge fan, so we're gonna have a little bit more chili peppers. Okay guys, I got a couple of jacket potatoes here. These are perfect. Strain the peas. I can usually eat 2 of these. If you want to split it, I like to crisscross potato here at the end. Man, it's hot. Nice and crispy on the outside. Hot mother. Hot. I always say hot because it's definitely hot. Then I'm gonna grab a fork. Just gonna smash that a little bit. Easier to eat. Okay. I like to open it up a little bit because we're gonna pour that sauce right on. This is gonna be delicious. So then you just take the coconut corn here. Now remember, you can eat it on its own. That's what it's designed for. But I like to use everything we're doing and really make the most of it. So just adding it right to, I'm gonna add a little bit here, right? And then there's about half in here. I'm gonna add the peas that are already cooked right to the pot. It's really that simple. And I'm gonna mix peas in with the rest of the sauce. And then add that. So it's just super creamy, delicious. Man, might look like a little bit of a hot mess, but I think there's probably enough for 2. And then as far as garnishing, a little bit of the green onion. And then obviously red. Look at this here. We'll be back with the next one in a minute. All right, guys, let's get right back into it. So, spicy, smoky, dreamy mac. This is probably my favorite of all of them. I do love them all, but I really enjoy this one. It's nice and it's spicy. It's like a spicy mac and cheese pretty much. So make sure you heat up your cast iron so it's really ripping hot, wicked hot, whatever you want to say, but that thing is ripping. On medium-high heat, okay, it's going nice. One pot, this meal's just for me. I'm gonna use half a block of tofu. Sometimes I'll eat the whole thing, but I'm just gonna cut it up here, move this over here. And a quick bowl here. So in a nice bite-sized chunks, a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt. And this is just gonna be a super simple, easy recipe. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to the pan. So that's getting hot. Add the tofu right to the pan. While the tofu's cooking, I'm gonna add the water to the fill line. Give it a quick stir. And then let this sit for 5 minutes. So sear each side of the tofu for a couple minutes until it turns brown. And I have a half a bag, so it's 120 grams of spring greens right to the pan here. Keep them on the side. So the tofu is getting nice and seared here. Nice tip about the greens is it really helps soak up all the flavors in the pan, so any of that extra salt and pepper that's on the pan is going to grab that. All right, good. It's looking delicious. So really simple, you guys. Just get a nice quick sear on that tofu. I use extra firm. I tend to always go for the extra firm unless I'm using it for a specific recipe. And this adds a nice boost of protein. And with these greens, I know I'm getting my greens in. Yeah, look at that. I mean, this is delicious. I could eat this just like on its own. So to finish it off, just add the mac and cheese right to it. Just a quick stir in. Super filling, really quick, easy. This is absolutely banging, amazing, banging. It's such an English thing to say. A little bit of tofu, some greens in there. This is a great meal. And that's it. That's super wicked pimped up pots, you guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. We have tons of new stuff into Tesco, the new Wicked Kitchen range, and we're working on launching in other places, so keep your eyes out. And thank you again. I'll see you soon. And these are just some helpful tips from the Wicked Kitchen range. So this one isn't actually a noodle.